In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share computer audio on Zoom. If you want other people in your Zoom meeting to hear audio directly from your computer, like music, a video, or any sound playing through your system, this is a very useful feature to know. Sharing your computer audio properly helps your audience hear cleaner sound than if you were just holding a microphone near your speakers. It's simple to do once you know where to look. To get started, make sure you're already inside your Zoom meeting. Before you share anything, it's a good idea to confirm that the audio you want to play is ready on your computer. That way, once you begin sharing, everything goes more smoothly and you don't have to search around while other people are waiting. When you're ready, click on Share. This is the button used to share your screen or other content during the meeting. After you click it, Zoom will open the sharing window where you can choose what you want participants to see or hear. Depending on your version of Zoom and the size of your window, the layout may look slightly different, but the option you need will still be there. Now, look to the right side and check the Share Sound option. This is the important step. Turning on Share Sound tells Zoom to include the audio from your computer in the meeting. If you skip this, people may be able to see your screen, but they won't hear the sound coming from your device. So take a moment to make sure that box is checked before you continue. Once that setting is enabled, you can go ahead and continue with your screen sharing as needed. This works especially well for presentations with video clips, online tutorials, music playback, or any situation where the sound itself is part of what you're presenting. As a helpful tip, it's always smart to do a quick test before a live meeting if computer audio is important. Even though the setup is easy, testing can help you avoid surprises and make sure your participants hear everything clearly. That's all there is to it. Click on Share, then check Share Sound on the right side, and you're ready to share computer audio in Zoom clearly and effectively.